Christmas Eve tomorrow, and I'm sleeping in my car, and I'm literally broke. I have no money in my wallet. My first bank account has negative 600 in it. My other account has 54 cents in it. And my car payment was due a couple days ago. And I have a quarter tank of gas. No money in my wallet. And I didn't even eat a meal last night or tonight. I've been eating peanut butter jelly sandwiches the last 2 days. Damn.
What's going on, Grandpa?
What's up?
What's going on? What's going on? Are you happy to see me, Grandpa? It's been a couple months. Good a year. Everybody's so excited. What's going on, family? It's your man, Miami Patron, back for another video, and I'm a little tired. I'm at the San Diego airport. Just got off my flight from Miami, obviously, and today's video is about my rags to riches story. The reason I'm in San Diego is it's Thanksgiving in 2 days, and I'm here to surprise my grandparents. They actually don't know I'm in San Diego right now. I flew in to surprise them because this year has been crazy. Last time I saw my grandparents, I had left their house with less than $2,000 in my bank account, just trying to figure out life, just starting my business. Within a matter of 11 months, literally changing my life, on my way to becoming a millionaire, earning over $500,000 over the last couple months. And it's gonna be an amazing reunion with my family. Tomorrow morning, I'm picking up my Lamborghini, getting it dropped off in the morning. So I'm excited to pick up the Huracan. We got a drop-top Huracan. I got a suite right now at the Hard Rock. So I'm gonna go get some In-N-Out. It's been long awaited. It's been a good 11 months since I got some In-N-Out. Gonna get some In-N-Out, check into the hotel, and I'll show you guys my suite, but I'm excited to pick up the Lamborghini in the morning. So I'll see you guys at the Hard Rock. Alright, so we're in room 656, which means we're going this way. 6, 5. I think we're going this way. 6, 5, 6. There we go. Let's open it up. Let's see what we have. Take this freaking mask off. All right, we got a nice little suite here. Let's get the light on. Yes, yes, yes. Nice. Gets the job done. Boom. Hey, I don't know if I got a view. So right now I'm in downtown San Diego. Oh, pretty nice location. Gets the job done. Grateful. Got the bed here. Looks like a walk-in shower. What is this? Yeah, a little walk-in shower. And what is this? Steam room? Oh, bathroom. Got the bathroom here. And I got a little living room. So I guess this is what a suite looks like. Let's do it. Good morning, family. It is now the next day. Got a good little rest in. The Lamborghini just arrived. I used an app called Turo. If you've ever heard that before. I never really used Turo because I'm 24 years old, and a lot of the cars that I really want to rent, you know, the Lamborghinis, the McLarens, even BMW M3s, a lot of the cars I want to rent, I'm not even able to rent because you have to be above the age of 25. And I remember when I used to pull out this app, I'd be like, damn, by the time I'm 25, I'll own all of these vehicles at some point in my life. And here I am, you know, 24 years old, already owning a GTR, you know, which is better than a lot of these cars, you know, just right up there with the Lamborghini. But anyways, on another note, the Lamborghini has arrived, so I'm gonna go down there and meet him. I'm excited. Then I'm gonna head up north to surprise my grandfather first at work with the Lamborghini. Then I'm gonna go surprise my grandparents at my old house that I grew up in. And I might even stay here at the Hard Rock. So I'm gonna go downstairs and arrange all of that. But let's go look at the Lamborghini first. See you guys downstairs. There it is, guys. There it is. We got the Huracan downtown. We got the drop top. What's going on, my man? How you doing?
Man.
Doing good? Sheesh. What do you guys think about this? We got the Huracan. It was crazy because in Miami, these things are everywhere, but now we're in my hometown of San Diego, and we're gonna have a rare car. You know, as you guys know, I daily drive the GTR. It's a nice car, and I told you guys I'm getting the Aventador next, but why not come back to the hometown in the Huracan? And it's special, we got the drop top. So all right, guys. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and handle this really quick, get this taken over. Like I said, we're using the Apturo. Then we're gonna head up north. I'm so excited to hop in the Lamborghini, get a little test drive. I'm determining between one of these or the Aventadors. I heard this is a better driver car, but guys, the Aventadors with the doors flying up is a beautiful car as well. So I'll see you guys in a second. Let me handle this really quick. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get a start of the car. We're gonna flip this up. What a beautiful car. And the great thing about this, we got the convertible. Let's go ahead and let's drop the top on this bad boy.
He doesn't have his car, but he's got the Lamborghini. What's up, buddy? How are you?
What's going on, Grandpa?
What's up?
What's going on? What's going on?
I didn't know you were here.
I know, it's a surprise.
Yes, it is.
Nobody knows, not even Grandma knows it.
Grandma don't know yet?
No. I thought I'd come to you first, because if I went to them, then they'd call you.
Yeah.
Are you happy to see me, Grandpa? It's been a couple months, good a year.
A few months.
Everybody's so excited. It's crazy because I see these every day. What's up, Stephanie?
Ah, don't record me.
Hey, what up?
What's going on?
What's poppin'?
What's going on?
A lamp?
No, you did not, Kate.
What's
No.
up with your eyebrows?
No.
What's up? What's up? Auntie? Little brother? What's up? Where's Grandma at?
She's not here yet.
Where's she at? So I just got home and guess what? My grandma's not here. Hey, that's the part of the game when you're surprising. So as you guys just saw, you saw my cousins come out. I have my little cousin here. She's like my little sister. I grew up with her. I don't know why her eyebrows are red, but we're gonna work on that. But anyway, so I got you guys just saw the reaction of my little cousins and my brother. Come over here. We're gonna wait for Grandma. I don't know if Grandma knows that I'm here or not. She actually went to the store. I got my little brother right here. Guys, what an experience. Got the Lambo right here at my old house. This is the house I grew up in for 21 years of my life. When I was 21 years old, I moved to Miami on a dream. Actually, in that Audi, my Audi's still here in the driveway. I took that Audi, I took $600, and I drove to Miami on a dream of making things happen. That was in 2018. My first year didn't work out the way I wanted it to. But guys, this year, 2020, life has definitely changed. Obviously, it's still a rental, but the fact that I can drop 2K without even thinking about it for just 3 or 4 days of renting this, and I have the GTR. Honestly, I like the GTR better, and I have my GTR back in Miami, but what an experience. So I'm gonna wait for Grandma to get here so we can actually have a sit down with Gram. I'm a Grandma's boy, and see how it goes.
Okay.
Pineapple and cheese.
Okay.
Okay.
How far are you?
Are you guys doing some work? I'm almost at the store.
Okay.
I went to Costco to put gas.
Oh, okay.
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 Bye.
See you when you get home.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, guys. So I'm actually in my family's home right now. This was the couch. It's actually like a futon. This is the couch that I slept on for 4 months, from October until like March. I think I left to Colombia, and I slept on that couch. I slept on it so much, it wasn't even intended for somebody to sleep on it so long that I started indenting the bed, and I felt the frame in my back sleeping. But guys, this was the couch that I got started on the beginning of the year, February. Oh my gosh, life has changed so quickly, but I knew it would happen. the famous the famous couch. So we're gonna wait a couple minutes. Grandma will be here in like 20-30 minutes, okay? But I just wanted to show that to you guys. Uh-oh. Guess who's here? Oh, Grandma! Gram! Oh
my God!
Grandma! What's going on, Grandma? I love you!
You didn't tell me you were coming.
Happy Thanksgiving, Grandma!
Happy Thanksgiving!
I love you, Grandma!
Oh my God!
Grandma, look at this. Grandma's crazy. Remember when I left the house, I was sleeping on the couch. Look at this now. Oh my gosh.
Goodness, but did you rent it or what?
Yeah, it's rented.
Okay.
Oh, love you, Grandma. Grandma, give me a hug, Gram.
Oh God!
Gram.
Oh my goodness! What time you got here?
I got here last night.
Last
I
night?
love you, Grandma. Look at
Where
you.
you at?
Huh?
Where were you
That's a
at?
Hard Rock.
Huh?
I was at the Hard Rock. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
OMG. So we got Grandma's reaction. Guys, it's been an amazing journey. Let me take over for a second. Let me flip this out. What an experience, guys. Let me tell you this. I know I didn't get too much into the story of it. It was just more of the journey. But guys, let me tell you this. Keep chasing after your dream. When it doesn't look like it's working, keep going. For 5 years, I struggled as an entrepreneur, trying to make things happen, hopping from business to business, trying out different things. And then I got a mentor. And that mentor said, DeAndre, you have all power within you. If you reprogram your mind, everything in your life will begin to switch for you. Everything will begin to change. And I got a mentor, and I invested my time, I invested all my money, and I worked on myself. You see, the problem wasn't my business. The problem wasn't my family. The problem wasn't the outside forces that I thought it was. My real problem was myself. And if I was to work on myself, everything around me would change. If I was to work on DeAndre, my income would change, my relationships would change, and everything around me would change. See, I grew up in this house for 21 years. And living in this house, I always had a dream that I was gonna be successful. I was gonna have the Lamborghinis, the mansions and travel, and guess what? I'm doing all of that right now. Doesn't matter if this is a rental, because I'm buying the Aventador in February, and I still have a nice car and live in Miami. And guess what? I can afford to buy one of these. Is it the right decision right now? No. But the point is this. Keep going after your goals, keep going after your dreams. You guys just saw the reaction of my grandparents right now, both of them. Because they didn't know I was coming. And when I left this house, I told Grandma, I have I think less than 2,000, maybe I had like $1,500. Grandma, I'm going to Colombia, I have $1,500, and I'm gonna start my business, and I'm gonna make my life, I'm gonna change my life. And guess what? I did that in a matter of a few months. Came into 2020 a different person than I am leaving. If I can do it, you guys can do it too. Just reprogram your mind. If something like this interests you guys, reach out to me. You can look at the link in the description below. I have a lot of resources, guys. I literally teach people, entrepreneurs, how to reprogram their mind. If you reprogram your mind, everything in your life will begin to switch. You see, our mind is a beacon for the law of attraction. If you learn how to utilize your mind and attract the money, the people, the situations that you want, everything will begin to happen for you. And guys, that's exactly what I teach with the help of my mentor, Bob Proctor. Reach out to me if something like this, if you want to have a shift. If you're in business right now and you're struggling, you've been struggling for a couple of years, if you want to quit your job, if you want to make these shifts happen for you, it can happen. But it all has to come down with how you see yourself. Change how you see yourself, and the world around you will begin to change as well. Love you guys. Talk to you guys soon. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe. We'll be making a couple more videos, but I'll see you guys in a second. See you later.